Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. So, I want to teach you how to create a 3D cartoon, 3D talking cartoon. So, the first thing you want to do is to come to ChatGPT. I'm sure a lot of us know what ChatGPT is, and you're going to be using the ChatGPT to get your prompt. So, uh, we're going to be dealing with three different AI apps, so AI websites. So this is the first one where we get our prompt from. So when you come to Chat GPT, you just type in what you want. And I said, give me a prompt for Hydra AI for a 3D cartoon character of a girl in a colorful background. A very simple one. So this is the prompt here, and we are going to be copying this prompt to use it to get the picture of the character. So what we do here is just to copy this. Okay, we need to copy this, and now we're going to go to the next app where we'll be using the prompt that we've copied, and it's called Hydra app. Hydra app, where you can create videos, images, audio, because this particular website is connected to uh, our third uh, website, which we'll be using to get the voice. So for now, we'll just be using this. We'll click on the image. And then when we come in here, you see we have like um, different types of image generation. Uh, and then we have over here, we have the size. So the one we'll be using is the 16 by 9, but you can use any one here, TikTok size and so on, YouTube Shorts. So I'll just click on the 16 by 9, which I'll be using. And then the next thing you want to do where it's written describe your image is to paste that prompt that has been given to us from ChatGPT. You paste it, and the next thing you want, okay, if you have a reference image, let's say you want to use, like, you want it to look like some other kind of image you found somewhere, you could just upload from here. Okay, you just upload from here, or you just go straight to the point and just drop in your prompt, and then you click on this arrow sign and wait for it to generate your image. So this is the second AI website we'll be using. It takes a little bit of time. Okay, so this is the image it actually generated for us. For those of us who have YouTube channels that would like to create characters like this, or create this kind of using these images to actually create videos and all of that. So then you come to this right side. If you're using a phone, it's going to be down, like it's going to be below, not by the side. But since we're using a laptop, just click here by the side, the download sign to download the image. If we want to create another one, we just drop in the same prompt. Okay, if you keep dropping the same prompt, it will keep giving you different results. So just wait for it to load. We're still going to use this particular AI website to create the talking cartoon, okay? The talking character. So you see, it's going to give us something quite different. It's not going to be really different. Well, as you can see, the girl's clothes is different, and the background is quite different, and so on. So it just depends on you. Okay, you can just keep pasting the prompt until it gives you uh the right one you want. Let's see. Oh, okay. Okay. So until it gives you the one, you just keep doing that. So that's for that. So let's go to the next AI app we'll be using, or the next website we'll be using. And it's called 11 Labs. It's called 11 Labs right here. Okay, you can just go to Google. All of these websites are all paid websites, but then you have free credits to try out the websites, to be sure, like to see what they can do. Okay, uh ChatGPT is always free for getting prompts, but for the Hydra and the 11 Labs, you have to pay for credits at some point, so you can have more flexibility, and it can last longer. Like, you can have more credits that will last you for your jobs, okay, or for your creations. So now we're here, and let's see. So let's go here first. Let's go home first. Let's go home first. So you see how 11 Lab is. So different ones, you can just go through uh the app, and you see you love what you see there. It's a very good app, and I've been using it for a while, right? I've been using it for a while. So yeah. So the next thing I want to do is, search for a voice. Since we're dealing with kids uh character, or a child character, I think we'll go for something that has to do with kids. To actually select a voice that has to do with kids. So we can just click on instant speech. Now, before, okay, I'll go to ChatGPT. Okay, I'll go back to ChatGPT and copy this. I've already done. Okay, copy this. Whatever you want the character to say, just copy. Oh my god. Okay. So let me go back. Okay. So, and then go back to 11 Labs, and then paste what you actually want the character, oh sorry, the voice to say. And then go to voice right here, and I could just search, or I already have some voices I have downloaded already.
Hey there, friends! Let's go on an adventure to Imagination Kingdom. Stay
So
silly and stay curious. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun.
I think I like this voice. Okay. So, but let's just search. For those of you who don't know how to search, kids, or I can also go for cartoons. Just depends. Let's see this. Oops. I want us to hear her talk. Okay, so
Hi, my name is Cherry Twinkle, and I am so very excited to meet you. I was just about to pick some cherries. Would you like to help?
so now you see, I love this voice. Okay, so for Those of you who don't know how
My
to
name is
download
Cherry
voices
Twinkle,
and all of
and I
that,
am so very excited to
what you
meet
want to
you.
do is
I
like
was just about to
click
pick some
on.
cherries. Would you like to
Okay, let
help?
me go further. Let's see. And you click on it. Okay, when you click on any voice at all, you just go down. Okay, go down and you see add to my voice. You click on it and it begins to download that voice for you, and it will add it to your voice library. Okay, so but for now I will just be using the one I picked before to do it. So I'll just pick this girl, the first one, and then what you want to do is click on generate speech and you wait for it.
Hello, everyone. My name is Grace.
Get that? If you're not okay with it, you click on it again.
Hello, everyone. My name is Grace.
You're not okay with it again, you click again.
Hello, everyone. My name is Grace.
Keep clicking until you get the one you want.
Hello, everyone. My name is Grace.
Okay, I think I like this one, so I just click on download. Okay, so downloaded. Okay, downloaded. So the next thing you want to do is go to ETHA AI again, and I could just go to the one I want to go to. I think I don't know. Okay, let's just use this image. You could actually like go straight to the video. Okay, and when we go straight to the video, we
Hello,
just
everyone. My name is Grace.
okay. Oh, it's already here. It's
Hello,
already here
everyone. My
because I
name is
tried doing
Grace.
it. So, but what you want to do, okay, let me just cancel this and then
Hello,
click on
everyone. My
start
name is
screen,
Grace.
okay? And then you want to go to upload image,
Hello, everyone. My name is
okay?
Grace.
Consent, and then click on it again. Go right here. I think I love the first generation even better. So I click on that and of course bring it in. So once it comes in here, the next thing you want to do is you go here, click on upload audio, and then we're going to go to the audio we just downloaded, this one, okay, and bring it into. So yeah, and then click on add to. Okay, and then the next thing you want to do is to write, to prompt your character with emotions. Okay, you can say person is jumping, or you could just say person smiles, comma, jumps, or you say waves, smiles and waves. Oh my god. And waves. Okay, so that's just it. And then you click on what? Enter. Now you're going to wait for the video to generate. Trust me, this website is one of the best websites that I have ever used, and I can vouch for that. One of the best lip sync websites I've ever used. For waiting for it. So for this prompt, I mean, it's an easy prompt. You could just copy it from here. Now it's on the screen, so you could just copy it from here. It's just a simple prompt, nothing too big or too difficult. Just this, just a two-line, and let ChatGPT do it for you. Yeah. So let's go back and check if our video is done.
Hello, everyone. My name is Grace.
You see that this website is actually one of the best. Just like I said, you see how the lip syncing is. I mean, I've made a lot of researches, but I found out that this is the best for lip sync. Okay, so let's play that one more time.
Hello, everyone. My name is Grace.
Yeah, though the website still needs a lot, it still needs some upgrade and all of that, but for now, like when it comes to lip sync, okay, you can use this to create models for your businesses. You can use this to make talking avatars, okay, for your businesses. Just go round the app and you will see what I'm talking about. I've created different other ones, okay, so this is not like the first, but it's good.
Hello, everyone. My name is Grace.
So now the next thing you want to do is just to download it straight into your system or your phone. This website, like I said, is not restricted to just laptops alone. You can use it on your phone also.
Hello, everyone. My name is.
All right, so that's it for this video. I hope I was able to help you out. Bye for now. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.